but outside because we had a bit of an accident. And so we're outside while Auntie Mac cleans up. We're having a little bit of fun with ourselves. But we seem to be lying where we pooped. And there might be some residue we need to clean up. But we're having fun with ourselves. We found a ball.